1, 2. Hey everyone, welcome back. In the previous video we have already learned how to pose estimation with Mediapipe library, and there was an example here with which is written with Python, and we have already implemented this Python example in the previous video. And in this video I want to finish a small project which will be able to detect, which will be able to count the push-ups inside a video. For example, I tried to push up couple of times in this video, and at the end of this video I will try to count my push-ups with the help of Mediapipe pose estimation algorithm. And let's start. For example, before starting we can remember the previous video. For example, in here I can run the code which is we already tried. In here you see it's able to detect all of the poses in my video, you can see, and you see it's detecting. So I will try to use these points and I will try to count my push-ups because I already have. For example, if we start in the example, it's just drawing the lines via on the library. For example, it's calling this method and drawing, but in here you are not really directly able to reach the points, and it's just drawing the lines in the background. So in the right side this is totally same with that, but I will disable these lines because I wanna reach to the points of all of my poses by myself in here. How it's gonna be happen? First of all, maybe I can show you the GitHub page of Mediapipe. GitHub page, and in here we are gonna go to the Mediapipe, then Python, then solutions, and here we are gonna go to pose.py. In here you will be able to see all of the poses inside listed in a enumeration in a class in here. So I will try to be able to reach all of these points with some methods. Okay, first of all, in here this is the line which we are getting all of the pose coordinates or others inside this results parameter. Then we can call it, for example, if we want to reach the point of nose, then we need to, for example, like this nose point, and it's equal to for example, results dot pose landmarks dot landmark and 0. Why 0? Because in here nose is defined as 0 enumerator, so we are gonna use that 0 dot x, and the other one, the y-axis, is gonna totally be same like this. And also we need to convert here to the integer like this one, and it's gonna give us the point of nose. We can print maybe nose point, and let's see the result. Python 3 push-up counter. You see it's 0 to 0. Why it is 0 to 0? Because this one is taking as double, I think. Let's try to learn. Yeah, it's taking as double, so we need to convert it to the we should make the ratio real. For example, we need to multiply it with image width. Image width, and the other one we need to multiply with image height, because it's giving us as a ratio, so we need to convert it. Okay, let's try again. Okay, I need to make nose point, the print. Okay, now I'm able to see where is my nose point. For example, 888, almost same. If we Okay, it's around these places, so it's correct. So I can reach each of the pause points which is defined in this list. I can reach in this kind. What else I need? For example, I need wrist in here, wrist of my hand, because I can use them to be able to count my push-ups. For example, left wrist, and it's equal to, just copy and paste, copy, paste, and this is gonna be right wrist. What is their enumerator? Left wrist is 15, right wrist is 16. 15 and 16, 15 and 16. Okay. To be able to see in the image, maybe I can put a circle, and this is gonna be inside image, and the point is gonna be nose point. Why it's not giving me the detail of this circle? I don't remember because at all. Let's try. Yeah, it's at least it's drawing, but maybe this is the thickness. Okay, let's try to see again. Yeah, now it's detecting my nose area, even not really accurate, but it's around, at least we can see like this. Yeah, okay. Let's draw also for left wrist and right wrist. Okay, left wrist and right wrist, and let's see them also. Okay, now it's able to my wrists also. Okay, if I want to tell you the algorithm I want to use, for example, this also shoulders, maybe I need to define shoulders here, and the distance between wrist, if it is decreasing, so I'm going down, and if the distance is increasing, it's going up. So by this I will try to count how many times, but this is not at all will be correct. For example, I need to consider this hips and foots also, maybe the straightness, but maybe you can develop this by yourself. Just I want to make it short, I don't want to so detailedly, I don't know all of the rules of push-up, maybe even here I'm making some mistakes. In here I will just count the distance. Let's define the shoulders also. We have two shoulders, right shoulders and left shoulder. And let's go to the list again. Where is the shoulder? 11 to 12. Which is right. This one let's make left. What we said, 11 to 12. 11 to 12. Okay. Also let's draw them. And okay. Let's see them also. Yeah, now I'm able to detect my shoulders also. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Like this. Now what I can do, maybe I can only use shoulders even, I don't need nose. Maybe you can consider by yourself how to make the logic. First of all, maybe I need to see the distance, how it's changing. The distance between left shoulder and right shoulder and right wrist. By the way, this distance calculate, I just copied from somewhere, is calculating between two pixel points the absolute distance in the type of pixels, and it's returning that distance. Let's try to see the real time, the distance between these 2 points. The right wrist, the right shoulder and the right wrist. It start with 300. Now it's gonna be decreased when I'm going down. 300 still. Now it's coming until 130. Again going up. Come back again. Okay. So I can put my limit as 130. The distance limit. I'm just copying here. Okay. If this bigger than 100, not bigger, smaller than 130, if bigger than 130, it means this is the starting point of starting time of my push-up. So maybe I can put some global variables for first of all push-up start, and it's equal to 0. Then also counter, maybe push-up count is equal to 0 also. Then if this is bigger than 130, my push-up start is equal to 1. Then else if push-up already started and the distance between them is smaller than 130, maybe this should be bigger than 250 maybe, because it starts with 300 at the beginning. Then if it's bigger than that, is starting position is starting. Then in the next loop, if it is smaller than this, the distance, then in here I will start the count. For example, push-up count is equal to push-up count plus 1, and I'm already done here. Then so my push-up start is gonna be 0 now again. So I don't want to enter again until this part. What else? Okay, like this. And at the end, I'm gonna count my push-up. I'm gonna print. Okay, push-up count. Yeah, done seems. And where I'm printing, no more print. Okay, let's save and try. Let's try. 0 still. Let's go down. Okay, now 1. Push-up is 1. Back again. 2. Okay, but when I'm going here, it's becoming 2. So it should be 2 when I'm back. How to do that? Okay, maybe I need to change the place of this. If this is smaller than 130, and if this is bigger than 250, maybe like this should be. Let's try again. 0 still, and go down. Okay, now 1, go down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good, done. So it's counting. As I said, I will not detailedly continue. You can use other logics. You can use other algorithms. This is not the best one. Also, this is the worst one maybe, but just to show you the way, this is a good starting point, good starting example. Maybe at the end I want to print that to the I want to print it to the image. And push-up count. What else? I don't really remember this. but one of them should be scholar. Maybe this one. And also should be point. Where is point? Maybe like this, I don't know. Let's try. Okay. How to put text? Let's get an example. I'm not Python expert, so sometimes I'm forgetting. OpenCV, Python, put text. Normally it should show me how to put that text. Where is, okay, this one. Okay, what else? Image. This is gonna be push-up count. And what is orc? This is font scale, color, thickness, font. Oh. Okay, I hope it's done. And okay, font scale, point. Let's see. I hope it will write. Why it's giving me error? Indentation. Line 123. Okay, cause of this, sure. I hope done. Okay, forget about putting text. Okay, forget about putting text, just printing here now, or OpenCV, Python, text, number, text, integer. Let's see in here, str. str. Okay, str. I hope it's done. Yeah, finally. So I will see the count here now. 1, very good. 2, okay, that's great. So let's make putting some text, push up, like this maybe, push up, count, okay, and like this, let's try. The scale should be more bigger maybe. Also the point should be more below, like this maybe. And what else? What else? The thickness. Let's make 3. Little up. Okay, seems okay. Let's try. Push up count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's great. Also, maybe it's better to make weight key no more and delete the circles and see the result again. Okay, go on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Congrats, done. Yeah, in this video, what's the main point here? The getting each of the pause points which is given in here, not here, this one, not this one, this one. Okay, in this class you have 33 points, 33 pause landmarks you have, and with the help of these lines you are reaching each of those pause landmarks with the help of here. So you can use them according to your desire. For this video I tried to count my push-ups, and this can be improved. I'm gonna put this to my GitHub. Maybe you can directly copy. And I think I'm done for this video. See you in the next projects.